meal to make. Move it! Let's go! We don't have all day. Lance? What are you doing?
Throwing our meat away.
Why?
I think we should go plant-based. So that's why, for today's meal, we're gonna make creamy vegan garlic pasta with roasted tomatoes.
Okay, well, I guess I'll give it a try. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Lance, why don't you show us the ingredients? So, to start, you're going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or 204 degrees Celsius, and toss the tomatoes in a bit of olive oil and sea salt. Place cut side up on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake for 20 minutes while you prepare the rest of the dish. Then, set aside.
Bring a large pot of water to a boil and cook pasta according to package instructions. When done, drain, cover, and set aside.
In the meantime, prepare the sauce. In a large skillet over medium-low heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and the garlic and onion.
Let's show them how to mince garlic if they're not using pre-minced garlic.
Okay, well, first you're going to place the 8 cloves of garlic in a medium-sized bowl, and then find a smaller bowl which fits inside it upside down, like this. Now shake vigorously a couple of times. This helps to loosen up the skin. Now, take the inside bowl and flip it over. Press it down on the cloves. This works best if you do it one by one. Now peel the rest of the skin off by cutting off the top and then peeling.
Now to mince the garlic, you can put it in a mincer like this one, or you can mince it by hand, like this. Once you have 4 teaspoons of garlic, you're ready to go. After adding garlic and onion to a skillet, add a pinch of salt and black pepper and stir frequently, cooking for 3 to 4 minutes until softened and fragrant.
Stir in flour or cornstarch as the thickener and mix with a whisk. Once combined, slowly whisk in the almond milk, a little at a time so clumps don't form. Then add nutritional yeast, another healthy pinch of salt and black pepper, and bring to a simmer. Continue cooking for about another 4 to 5 minutes, just to thicken.
Taste and adjust seasoning as needed. Add more salt to taste, more minced pressed garlic for a zing, or more nutritional yeast for cheesy flavor. You can also add 1 to 2 tablespoons of vegan Parmesan or lemon juice for extra flavor at this time.
If you want an ultra creamy sauce, transfer sauce to a blender, or use an immersion blender to blend the sauce until creamy and smooth. We didn't do this part, however, you certainly can. Place back in pan and reduce heat to a low simmer until desired thickness is reached.
Once the sauce is to your desired thickness, taste and adjust seasoning as needed. Then add pasta and roasted tomatoes and stir.
Serve immediately and garnish with extra black pepper, fresh basil, and or vegan Parmesan cheese. Best when fresh, but will keep for up to 2 days in the fridge. Please make sure to comment,
subscribe,
and
strike that like button.
Bye! See you next time.
Let's try it.
So we've got our pasta right here. It's our first vegan meal that we've self-made. And we have our sauce, which is over here, and our tomatoes, and our vegan Parmesan cheese, which we have never tried before, so I'm excited. Okay, wait, let me stir it around. Stir the pasta. Okay, let's try it. 3, 2, tomato.
Wait a second.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Very good.
It's really good. Yeah. So please make sure to check out our Instagram and Facebook accounts here. And now we will say goodbye until next time. Thanks for watching.